Welcome to Engagex. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up your Engagex account, choosing a plan, and downloading the extension. Let's get started. First, type engagex.app in your Chrome browser's search bar. Next, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. To create a new account, switch to the Sign Up page by clicking the Sign Up button. Now, quickly fill in all your details and click Create Account. You'll be directed to the Enter Verification Code page. Paste the code and click Verify. Once verified, now enter your username and password on the login page and click Login to access your dashboard. To activate Engagex, click on Step 1, Purchase Update Plan on the dashboard, and then choose the Gold plan by clicking on Choose Plan. Fill in your payment information with placeholder details, such as card number, expiry date, and CVV. Type your name, select your country, and click Subscribe. Once your plan is active, click Step 2. Download the extension on the dashboard. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up that follows. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Engagex. See you in the next video, which tells you about the functioning of the extension on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Engagex experience.